Hi there and a warm welcome. You're with the very latest here in headlines today. I'm Nida Khan. Well, this is a special show we've put together for you. Dabangg Returns, a show that chronicles the meteoric rise of a star called Salman Khan, or which should we just be calling him by his new name, that's Chulbul Pandey. 5 days is all it took for this tiger to touch the magic figure of 100 crore rupees at the box office. Salman Khan has become the biggest dabangg of 2012.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप हमारा?
Friday 21 crore rupees, Saturday 19 crore rupees, Sunday 25 crore rupees, Monday 12 crore rupees, and Tuesday Christmas 21 crore rupees. Yes, 5 days is all it took Salman Khan to touch the magic figure of rupees 100 crores at the box office. Chulbul Pandey has become the biggest dabangg of 2012. Others from his ilk swear by his magic and charm and his ability to pull crowds to cinema halls.
बिल्कुल सलमान का बहुत ही बड़ा क्रेज है, यकीनन इसमें कोई शक नहीं।
Salman's first outing at cinema screens in 2012, Ek Tha Tiger, broke the highest first-day collection record of Agnipath by a massive lead. No wonder Karan Johar, the producer of Agnipath, liked to address Salman as Bollywood's eternal rock star.
He truly is the biggest rock star in this country.
Fans are queuing up to surprise the dabangg Khan and gift dabangg to a phenomenal day 6 at the box office for Salman's birthday on 27th December. Aamir Khan wishes him well.
मेरी दुआ है कि ये फिल्म जो है बहुत ही सुपरहिट हो और सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़े और हम सबको बहुत एंटरटेन करें। मेरा भी रिकॉर्ड। कहते हैं करते हैं जो मर्जी।
Well, it's no surprise that Bollywood is bitten by the Salman bug, and stars of all stature look up to Salman and want to be in his good books. And guess what? Another few days and Salman's Dabangg 2 might just announce itself as the biggest hit of 2012, sealing off the year on a happy and exciting note for the Indian box office.
में बैठे ऑन ड्यूटी बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी। थाना में बैठे ऑन ड्यूटी बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी। पांडे जी सीटी बजावे जी सीटी। पांडे जी सीटी।
Entertainment Bureau headlines today.
बड़ी नाच सीटी बजावे हाय।
Well, he set the box office rolling with a roar with the biggest opening this year as Tiger. And then the man's back to claim the coveted title of the king yet again with Dabangg 2. Salman Khan surely is the man of the year, and how?
सलमान इज अ वेरी वेरी ह्यूज स्टार और अभी जो उनकी पॉपुलैरिटी है वो कुछ बहुत पीक पर है एंड सलमान से कुछ भी एक्सपेक्टेड है। उनके साथ कोई भी एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाए तो वो नंबर्स इनक्रेडिबल नंबर्स आ सकते हैं। वैसे भी सलमान इज केपेबल ऑफ as it is bringing a huge crowd to the theaters and maybe a very average film of his also in this today's time can do extremely well.
This is how Dabangg 2 director Arbaz Khan describes his brother Salman, and he's not far off target when he says that Sallu is by far the most bankable star among the current lot of Bollywood's big boys. It's been over 4 years now that Salman Khan has literally ruled the roost. From giving back-to-back blockbusters to thoroughly entertaining the audiences, the Dabangg star has done it all. His 2012 release, Dabangg, managed to garner in an approximate of rupees 140 crores at the box office. In 2011, he came with his movie Ready, which raked up an approximate of rupees 125 crore. 2011 Eid saw the release of his film Bodyguard, which broke records of Dabangg and crashed in almost 150 crore rupees at the box office.
मुझ पर एक एहसान करना कि मुझ पर कोई एहसान न करना.
In 2012, Yash Raj has already earned rupees 198 crore from Ek Tha Tiger. As far as 2012 is concerned, it can't be a better year for this Khan. After all, he is ready and riding on the success of Ek Tha Tiger.
The expectations are huge from Dabangg 2, naturally, because it comes after Ek Tha Tiger, which almost breasted the 200 crore mark, and then also because of its riding on the Dabangg franchise. So he's got two-pronged foundation for the expectations to be piled up even higher and higher. But yes, will it live up to it? It will live up to a very large extent, in the sense it will make a lot of money.
Many a time the star has been criticized for sticking to a formula.
तुम जिस मिशन पे जाते हो, कोई न कोई मारा जाता है.
All his recent films, from Wanted to Bodyguard, Ready, Dabangg and Ek Tha Tiger, all have seen him in action-packed roles, playing either the honest cop or the angry young man. And Mr. Khan is very clear about his act. He's not in it to make art house cinema. It's the action comedy that he's known for, and that's what he delivers. While most of Salman's colleagues in the industry are busy trying to consolidate their place in the 100 crore club, Salman Khan has got busy raising the benchmark to rupees 200 crore, a mark that only one other star has made it to so far, Aamir Khan.
हम क्या बनना चाहते हैं? किसी ने पूछा ही नहीं.
He crossed that mark with Three Idiots. And if there's anyone in Bollywood who can outdo Aamir, it's Salman. After all, his last movie, Ek Tha Tiger, missed the magic 200 crore mark by a tiger's whisker.
तुम्हारी शादी हो गई?
डायरेक्ट शादी? ये नहीं पूछोगी कि गर्लफ्रेंड है?
नहीं, अब तुम्हारी उम्र शादी की हो गई है.
And it's not only about cinema. This Khan rules television as well. What began with Das Ka Dam has now morphed into Bigg Boss 6 in 2012. Earning him mega bucks and loads of fans on TV too. And talking bucks, Salman has earned an estimated 750 crore rupees over the last 3 years. Well, sirf ek hai tiger in Bollywood, and he goes by the name of Salman Khan. With Susan Jose in Mumbai and Denzel Connell, Entertainment Bureau, headlines today.
Well, Salman Khan is clearly riding high on the success of Dabangg 2, and why not? It was double whammy for Tiger Khan as he celebrated his birthday on the 27th of this month. Our colleague Rashma Shetty caught up with the big Hollywood star, Bollywood star really, for a candid conversation. We get you this report.
Well, critic proof, that is the latest term to describe the Dabangg Khan. Well, let me find out from Dabangg 2 director. Do you think that that's a term that fits Salman Khan films the most?
Absolutely. I think the Dabangg is synonymous with Salman, and Salman is synonymous with Dabangg.
How do you feel to be called critique proof? How much do you take the critiques very seriously?
When they write something, they should go in the theatre and then know what the audience pulse is and then write it. Because somewhere or the other, I'm making films for people to go to the theatre. My intention on your doing a film is that they go and it's like a party, because there's no other form of entertainment. So to entertain them where emotion is concerned, action, drama, that 2.5 hours of our culture is not of nightclubs, or we don't have different kinds of entertainment. All we have, our major source of entertainment is the cinema. अब वहाँ पर आप जाके बोर करोगे या रुलाओगे धुलाओगे तो it doesn't make any sense to me.
हम एक अहिंसावादी थानेदार हैं. गोली तो छोड़िए, हम किसी को गाली तक नहीं बकते.
Arbaz's first time as a director, how would you rate him as a director?
I think as a storyteller, he's a fabulous storyteller, and I think that is what a director should be. As far as his picturization of songs, the screenplay to his songs, the screenplay to his action, his emotion content, his the way of taking a scene where the camera has got to move around, he moves the camera. Where the camera has to be steady, the camera is steady. He knows exactly when to take a close. He knows exactly when to go into a long shot. He knows most important thing of a director. He knows when to start a scene and when to finish it. That is the honest truth, which you've seen in Dabangg. It's exactly like that, and to be like that in his first film is commendable. I mean, if Arbaz would have been making films in the age of 19 or 20, perhaps he would have come to this stage and he would have made a film like Dabangg. Had this certain amount of maturity, but kahin na kahin being in front of the camera, watching movies without directing a film has got the maturity. And the first film that he's made, you know, is, and Dabangg 1 also had, that had a huge contribution on the improvisation and the crafting of the screenplay, dialogues, the songs was huge. What is that word? Yeah.
Huge role that it played.
No, a huge role was a huge part was Arbaz in that.
Arbaz, from you want to know that, while people are appreciating you as a director, there have also a lot of people have pointed out a very sensitive side to you. What's the best compliment that you have got?
No, I think he's very bang on. That for a film like this, when you have somebody like narrative, the narrative of the film in a drama film like this, in a film where you got Salman Khan, it's very important that you keep it as classical and as basic as problem. And that's not a very easy thing to do, because there's a tendency of a first-time director to show his show off with his technique and show up with his camera angles and his magnifications and trolley and crane movements. And I think fortunately, because something like this has happened in my life at a slightly advanced stage, in the sense that at an age where I've gone through that, where I feel when there's an actor who's delivering his lines, keep it very simple, keep it very classical, and that'll convey.
One of the biggest openings to a Salman Khan film, but a great opening.
No, it is. I think it's mistaken. This is the biggest opening. See, today we are judging films on a holiday and a non-holiday.
So let's not. You're right about this. Let's not get into this thing. Ke chutti tha, national holiday tha. Tiger had a bigger opening. We'll not make any excuses. This film has not had the way that people are expecting. Ke Tiger was 32. This is how much?
21.
21. So that was national holiday, bank holiday, har cheez national holiday ke andar har cheez band hoti hai. Out here, it was a working day. Even then, we are not justified. It has not taken an opening as Tiger. But let's see in the long run, which is more important. In the long run, does it beat Tiger or not?
Okay. Amir has said that it's going to beat a 200 crore record. What do you have to say?
He didn't tell me that, but if you're saying
that, on camera too.
He said that's fantastic. That's very nice of him. If he believes that, and he saw the film, and he called me and he told me that he found it very entertaining, and that's a very big compliment from him. That's what he said. Yeah.
What is phenomena Salman?
How would you have reacted if Amir said कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये 200 करेगी?
I would have said. In fact, Amir didn't think too much about Dabangg 1. In fact, Amir didn't think too much about it, and he was like, "ऐसा है, वैसा है, ये वो." And then both Abhinav and me were sitting, and we both looked at each other and said, but he was like, "चलेगी, but ऐसा होता तो."
Was this an advanced birthday gift to Salman in any case, because collections are great and you decided to distribute the...
What is the birthday gift?
They had planned this, 27th ko Salman ka birthday hai. So we will make sure that this is going to be a gift from our side.
To the fans?
No, to me and then the fans.
Can we give him any gift? We can't give him any gift. He's
give me Dabangg 1 and then Dabangg 2.
He's admitting it on camera.
Yeah, no, I don't know whether he believes that. And that's not true.
Why is he?
I believe you, no believe. He believes that.
I believe that. Okay, great. No, it's great. It's we can't give him any gift to whatever for all that he's done for us, but it's great.
Arbaz, for a man who's so passionate about not just his films but also issues that really matter to us, do you think that Salman's still a kid at heart as he turns a year older tomorrow?
I guess, yeah. Salman's obviously not lost his innocence in so many years. The things that he feels and what he feels very strongly about it has not changed, and that's the man that he is. That's how he is, and that is why people around him, people love him, and people who don't know much about him, what they see through his interviews, through his movies, through his shows, can get a very fair idea about him. This obviously incident or what has happened is kind of has disturbed him in many ways. Sometimes he feels helpless, whether he could do something about it or not. But he obviously wants some action to be taken, and why him? Everybody, or the whole country wants this something to be taken, and some kind of a law, some kind of a fear come about, so that these incidents are not going to happen again. See, this is the chance. As long as they're going to be human beings, there are going to be atrocities and crazy things happen. But as much as we can try to control it and minimize it, is what should be the endeavor of society, of the police, and of the people around. So we have to start taking responsibility and start taking care. We have also to जैसे कि हम अपने घरों में ग्रिल्स डालते हैं, हम अपने घर में भी इस चीजों को कबर्ड्स को लॉक करते हैं. क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि बोलते हैं ना कि prevention is better than cure. If we are aware that the world is changing around us, we must also, there is that much society and police can do. Fair enough, we've got to strengthen them. We have to encourage them. We have to be and give them the strength to do things. At the same time, we have to start taking responsibility of our own selves, our people around us.
The whole incidents that's happened in Delhi as well, the rape thing, and I'm totally against it. I hate the fact that men, हमारे बिरादरी को लोग, I mean, this had to do something like this. I don't even think they're men. I think they're disgusting. And if I could abuse the way I abuse off screen, I could have been more expressive, but I can't do that.
Well, everybody in Bollywood loves Salman, be it his fans, be it his colleagues from Bollywood. There's no dearth of Salman lovers out there. Headlines today, in fact, spoke to a wide-ranging array of stars from Bollywood. Listen in to the stars speak about the legend called Khan.
खाना में बैठे आन ड्यूटी बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी खाना में बैठे आन ड्यूटी बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी
4 सीटियों के बाद आपकी सीटी नहीं कुकर
सवाल करते हो पांडे जी. वक्त तुम्हारा खराब आया और दिन हम गिने.
होड़ होड़ दबंग 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 होड़ होड़ दबंग दबंग दबंग
दबंग. Salman's magic, we all love him for that. There's something that is something about him that really makes us love him, and that's his quality.
I think उनकी आंखों में सच्चाई झलकती है. There's no pretense. उनका जो attitude है वो हमेशा से सेम रहा है, चाहे पिक्चर हिट हो या फ्लॉप हो. It's always been the same. And I think that's what makes him unique. और audience को आज वही देखना है. वो कभी नहीं बदले किसी के लिए और किसी चीज के लिए.
आई थिंक सलमान का बिगिनिंग से ही अपना स्टाइल रहा है, अपना अंदाज रहा है, उसकी अपनी अदाएं रही है. एंड हिज अदाएं बेसिकली से आई डोंट केयर अ डैम फॉर द वर्ल्ड, एंड वो आई थिंक अब सबको बहुत भा जाती है. एंड बिगिनिंग से वो वैसे रहे हैं, अपनी ही की है उन्होंने, अपनी ही मर्जी की मालिक है वो, एंड आई थिंक वो स्टाइल बहुत सबको पसंद है।
हमारी ट्रेनिंग कब से शुरू होती है? पुलिस फोर्स।
सलमान खान ऐसे सितारे हैं जो देश भर उनसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, उनकी एक स्टाफ प्रेजेंस है, क्वालिटी है, एक आई थिंक वाइब है, बच्चे हो या बूढ़े हो सब बहुत पसंद करते हैं, प्रेम करते हैं सलमान खान से।
स्वागत नहीं करोगे अब हमारा?
सलमान की जो खासियत है वो बॉक्स ऑफिस पे हिट करती है, वो तो खुद नहीं मानते, वो एक एक्स फैक्टर है जब वो स्क्रीन पे आते हैं, इस तरीके से लोग और ऑडियंस उनको काफी है। सलमान भाई में ये खासियत है, क्या आप उनको एक ही फिल्म में आप उनसे इमोशन, ड्रामा, रोमांस, एक्शन आप सब करा सकते हैं। तो वो एक ऐसा एक्टर है, he's not stuck to one genre of acting. You can actually utilize him for different emotions and he shows them and all. मेरे भाई की उम्र जितनी लंबी हो उतनी कम।
हर चीज डायलॉग डिलीवरी से लेके जैसे वो नाचते हैं, एंड बेसिकली वो इतने अच्छे इंसान है, तो एवरीथिंग अबाउट हिम।
हम सभी पुलिसकर्मी और श्री चुलबुल पांडे जी आप सबका मनोरंजन करेंगे।
मिस्टर सलमान खान की वो उनका जो एक आई थिंक स्टारडम है, जो सुपर स्टारडम, एक बहुत ही जेन्युइन स्टारडम है। आई फील समथिंग इज अर्न्ड एंड आई थिंक देयर इज दिस गुडविल अबाउट हिम।
अक्ल के आने के लिए शक्ल के बिगड़ने का क्यों इंतजार कर रहे थे तुम?
आई थिंक उनका जो फिजिकल अपीयरेंस है, उनकी बॉडी जो कभी मतलब चेंज होती नहीं है, हम लोग सब कोशिश करते हैं कि वैसा दिखते रहे, लेकिन सलमान भाई की तरह यू कांट मेंटेन।
थोड़ी रश्मि साहब नाम बोल दीजिए, आगे खुद समझ जाएंगे कि हम क्या हैं।
आपका पूरा नाम है ठाकुर बच्चा लाल। इस शहर में आपने जूस निकालने से शुरुआत की थी, आज आप शहर का तेल निकाल रहे हैं। बालों में आप तेल डालते हैं चमेली का, कहते हैं यंग इंडिया 90 नंबर। इसके आगे की जानकारी जरा सीक्रेट है।